In this video, we'll show you how to fix an error when formatting a USB device on Windows. First, right-click on the Windows Start icon and open Windows Terminal or PowerShell as an administrator. Next, launch the DiskPart tool by typing DiskPart and pressing Enter. Now, list all disks connected to the computer by running the list disk command. You can identify the USB device by its size. Next, select the USB disk using its number by running the command select disk X, replacing X with the disk number. Once the USB disk is selected, run the clean command to clean the USB disk. Please note, all data on the USB disk will be lost. Make sure to back up any important files before continuing. The USB disk has now been cleaned. Let's close DiskPart. Now, right-click on the Windows Start icon and open the Disk Management tool. From here, create a new partition on the USB disk to complete the process. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.